In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom cover image for Trello cards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, and adding a custom cover image can make your boards not only more visually appealing, but also help you quickly identify cards at a glance. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, customizing your Trello cards can really streamline your workflow. To begin, the first thing you want to do is open up Trello and navigate to the specific board where your card is located. Once you're on the correct board, look over your list of cards and click on the card you wish to customize with a new cover image. This will open up a detailed view of the card, allowing you to manage various features, such as labels, due dates, and of course, the cover image. Located towards the top right of this card view, you'll notice an image icon. This icon serves as a gateway to changing how your card appears. Click on this image icon, and you'll be presented with a variety of options for how you can interact with images in Trello. Among these options is the one that allows you to upload a new cover image. Select the option labeled Upload a Cover Image. Now that you've clicked on the Upload a Cover Image option, you'll be prompted to choose and upload the image you'd like to use as your card's cover. This is where you can be creative with what you want to display, whether it's a photo that captures the essence of your task, a graphic, or a colorful visual representation that makes your card truly stand out. Make sure that the image you upload is clear and represents the theme or purpose of the card. It should enhance how you interact with your Trello board and facilitate easier navigation. Once your image is selected, it will automatically be uploaded and applied as the card's cover image. You'll see it immediately update, providing a fresh, personalized look to the card. If it doesn't look quite right, you may want to try uploading different images or adjust your image files so they fit well within Trello's display dimensions. After you've uploaded your image, take a moment to view how it looks across the board to ensure it has the intended effect. Having a visual guide like this can make working within Trello both efficient and enjoyable, helping you to stay organized and visually oriented with your projects. That wraps up this tutorial on transforming your Trello cards with custom cover images. I hope you're now feeling confident about enhancing your Trello experience with this simple yet impactful visual change. Stay organized, get creative, and happy organizing.